Hello friends, you're welcome to my complete Spanish course. In the previous video lecture, we learned the rules of continuous tense, how to conjugate a verb in the continuous form. In today's video lecture, we are going to learn some practice on continuous tense. So how to make the sentences in the continuous tense we learn in this video lecture. So let's start. So the first sentence is I am sleeping. I am sleeping. So I am with I we use the estoy as a helping verb. So estoy sleeping means sleep. The verb for sleeping we use dormir. Dormir. But the continuous form of sleeping will be durmiendo. Durmiendo. Because we remove the IR from the dormir and we add indo. Durmiendo. Next sentence is I am going to my house. I am. I am going. So for the going, we use the verb ir. Ir means to go. But ir verb in the continuous tense, we not add indo or ando in the continuous form for the ir verb. So in the ir verb, we don't use indo and ando. The conjugation of ir verb is voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. Voy means I am. Because ir verb is a irregular verb. That's why we don't conjugate in the form of ando and indo. So the example I am going to my house. Voy means I am. A mi casa. A means to. Mi means my. Casa means house. Voy a mi casa. Next one is I am asking a question. Estoy means I am. Preguntar is a verb which means to ask. But in the conjugation form, we remove the AR and we add the ando. So the conjugation of preguntar will become preguntando. Estoy preguntando. I am asking. Una means a, pregunta means question. Estoy preguntando una pregunta. Next sentence is I am buying a new car. Estoy means I am buying. To buy, there is a Spanish verb comprar, which is AR ending verb. So we remove the AR and we add comprando. Estoy comprando. I am buying. Un means a. Coche means car. Nuevo means new. Estoy comprando un coche nuevo. Next one is I am eating. For eat, we use the verb comer, which is ER ending verb. So in the continuous form, we remove the ER and we add indo. So estoy comiendo. Estoy comiendo. Estoy comiendo. Next one is are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Estás durmiendo. Estás durmiendo. They are cooking the food. They are cooking the food. For the they are, we use the helping verb están. Están. For cook, we use verb cocinar. Cocinar is a verb for use the cook. So this is the AR ending verb. So we remove the AR and we add ando. Están cocinando la. La means the. Comida means food. Están cocinando la comida. It means they are cooking the food. Next one is why she is not dancing. Why means porque. Porque means why. She is ella. No means no. Está bailando. Esta will be used as a helping verb for she, he, she or it. So, porque ella no está bailando means why she is not dancing. Next sentence is India is winning the match. India está ganando el partido. Ganar is a verb which is used for win, ganar, which is AR ending verb. So ganar is a verb. So you will make the sentence India está ganando el partido. Partido means match, el means the. Next sentence is we are helping the poor people. Helping is verb in English, but in the Spanish we use ayudar. Ayudar means help. So to make the continuous form, we add ando. So estamos means we are. Estamos means we are. Ayudando a la gente pobre. A means to, la means the, gente means people, pobre means poor. Estamos ayudando a la gente pobre. Next sentence, I am waiting at home. Waiting. Waiting. For wait, we use a verb esperar. Esperar means to wait. Esperar is AR ending verb. So, how we will make the sentence? Estoy, which means I am. Esperando means waiting. En casa means at home. Estoy esperando en casa. Next sentence is they are reaching in 10 minutes. Reach. There is a verb llegar. Llegar, which is AR ending verb, which means to reach. Están means they are. Llegando means reaching. En means in. 10 means 10. Minutos means minute. Están llegando en 10 minutos. It means they are reaching in 10 minutes. Next sentence is he is sleeping. Sleeping. So we know we use the verb dormir for the sleeping. So él está durmiendo. Él está durmiendo. Next one is she is dying without food. Dying. To die, there is a verb morir, which is IR ending verb morir. Okay, so we will make ella está means she is. Ella está, she is muriendo. Muriendo. Sin means without, comida means food. Ella está muriendo sin comida. Next verb, next sentence, he is speaking. To speak, there is a verb hablar, which is AR ending verb, which means to speak. So él está means he is, speaking means hablando. Él está hablando, he is speaking. Next sentence is I am learning Spanish. To learn. We use aprender verb for to learn. I am means estoy aprendiendo. Aprendiendo means learning. Español means Spanish. Estoy aprendiendo español. Next sentence is the girls are reading books. The girls are reading books. The girls, las chicas. Las chicas means the girls. Están because we are using the girls, which is plural form. So we use the están as a helping verb. Las chicas están. For reading, we use a verb leer. L-E-R, leer means to read. This is ER ending verb and we conjugate in the continuous form lindo. Las chicas están leyendo libros. Libros means book. So, las chicas están leyendo libros. It means the girls are reading books. Next sentence is I am writing a letter. For the writing, we use the verb escribir. Escribir, which is IR ending verb escribir. So, I am, estoy, escribir, we change escribir to escribiendo in the continuous. So, I am writing una means one, letter means carta. Estoy escribiendo una carta. I am writing a letter. Next sentence is I am drinking water. For drink, we use the verb beber, which is er ending verb. So estoy means I am, bebiendo means drinking, agua means water. Estoy bebiendo agua means I am drinking water. I am telling good news. To tell, decir. Decir is a verb which is used for to tell. So estoy means I am, diciendo means telling, buenas means good, noticias means news. Estoy diciendo buenas noticias means I am telling good news. So friends, this is all about the present continuous tense in Spanish. And in these videos, part 1 and part 2, we'll learn how to conjugate the verb in the present continuous form and what is the exceptional verb and how to conjugate the exceptional verb in the continuous tense and how to make the sentences in the continuous form. So I hope you enjoyed this video lecture and learn the continuous tense. Try to speak more and more continuous sentence in your day-to-day life, so it will make your confidence level up in the Spanish. So thank you for watching this video lecture and watch my next video lecture for learning new things in Spanish.